CIPEM IHM stands for Interface Human Machine. We are located close to the French Alps in Annecy.
Our factory is manufacturing many types of technical labels, overlay and membrane switch keypads. We can deliver our customer in a short time from very small to medium quantities.
Founded in 2015, IHM has built a strong reputation over the last decades to become a reliable partner for hundreds of demanding customers. In 2023, IHM became a member of ICAPE Group and operate under the CIPEM banner.
Integrating in ICAPE Group is a massive step forward. We benefit from all the power and leverages of a world-class organization that we can bring to our customers with new opportunities that complete our offer.
IHM team is composed of 11 technicians and engineers. Some of them have several decades of experience. CIPEM IHM is committed to continuous development and spares no effort in investing in state-of-the-art technology. By acquiring modern, versatile, and precise machinery, we expand our technical capabilities, thereby enhancing our production capacity and ensuring efficient turnaround times. CIPEM IHM produces a wide range of products, such as membrane keypads, front panel, technical labels, and offers printing services.
We have invested massively in our production line with new machines and improved process. We have the capacity to produce and reproduce parts with the highest accuracy from 1 to 1,000 parts.
CIPEM IHM proudly holds ISO 9001:2015 certification, underscoring our dedication to quality management systems. We maintain rigorous quality control measures with 100% of factory manufactured parts subject to inspection. Additionally, our commitment to sustainability is paramount, particularly given our proximity to natural landscapes. This commitment is exemplified by our ISO 14001 certification and an impressive ESG maturity score of 73, reflecting our strategic initiatives to implement environmentally conscious practices and reduce our ecological footprint. Recognized as a top-quality supplier, IHM addresses demanding markets such as aeronautics, defense, automotive, medical, security, and home automation.
At our factory, we go beyond the usual. Alongside ensuring top-notch quality for our customers, we are committed to provide real engineering expertise. Our goal is simple: to deliver a customized solution that not only meets but exceeds expectations.
With an NPS score of 57.5, IHM's customer satisfaction is among the highest in the industry. Specialized in small series with unmatched technical expertise, you have the assurance of having exactly what you've ordered. ICAPE Group, the power of precision.